Today we're gonna talk about gardening. The soil is finally ready, and if you haven't checked how we prepared it, I linked it up for you. Now it's the right time to plant fruits and veggies. Let's go!
First, we had to plan it out on a paper to know how many plants we should get. We visited a nursery nearby and we were amazed by colorful flowers they had. It is a flower paradise. I was mostly attracted by white flowers for our garden. We picked our fruits and veggies like tomatoes, cucumbers, mint, bell pepper, strawberries, passion fruit, picked some seeds like sunflower, parsley, and of course some beautiful white flowers. Next, we divided the area according to the plan and we started to dig small tunnels for watering. You can see how on the border of each tunnel we provided a place for 6 plants. Simple steps to plant. Dig a small pit, add loam soil that is rich in minerals, cover the roots of the plant with soil and loam. To plant seeds, we sprinkled them on top of the soil, then covered them with loam soil. We finally tagged each section to differentiate the seeds. Lastly, we planted the rosemary and mint herb. As for the strawberries, we learned that the fruit should never touch the floor to be able to grow. We added a raffia nest so the strawberries will grow on top of it. We had to build back our fence so our turtle Piero won't eat our veggies. Last thing last, we have to take our precautions to keep pests away from our garden. We measured 1 teaspoon of pesticide in 5 liters of water, then sprayed the plants. Some of our leylandis are suffering from fungal disease, so we also sprayed them and our olive tree with a fungicide. Speaking of our olive tree that we got back in 2016, we planted it in a customized gabion pot to give it more space to grow. A week has passed and our plants started to grow. We now have to add soil right up to the first set of leaves to strengthen the stem. As for watering, we do it daily early in the morning or after the sunset. We try to avoid water on the leaves, watering only the surrounding soil and in the tunnel we dug. For the trees, we installed a watering system all along the flower bed. It drips water every day at 7 p.m. in summer season, and we can schedule it however we like.
So that's it for today. Starting from tomorrow, I'll be sharing on my Instagram stories updates about my plant's growth. So stay tuned and see you next week.